Welcome everyone to this video, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to log in your Office 365 account. Office 365 account in the online version, and the other one is the desktop version. Hi, so in this point we're going to log in now our Office 365 account. So to log in now your Office 365 for the online, you go to office.com. Whenever you have this one, so make sure you have your logins already. So I have my login, so I'm using my school login. So I have here. So I'm gonna type my login. So roberto.layage at myjru.edu. So make sure you have that account already, so it's much easier for you. So I have my password already. I already changed this one. So in order for you to have that, you may contact your IT office. So this is now my Office 365. So my Office 365, this is the online. So Microsoft Office online. So these are your online. So in your home, so you can see those are your files that you've been working. And then as you can see, this is now your suite. So you have the applications, the online version. So let's have someone. So for example, something like the Word. So as you can see, it would go now to Word Online. So this is now the dashboard for Word. So you have your template. So we're going to discuss that as well. So another, you have as well your PowerPoint. So mostly when people are creating their slides for their presentations, this is the thing that you're going to use. Another is Excel. So Excel is your spreadsheet. So when you never there's computation, you want to make some charts, you want to make some dashboard. These are the things that this is the application that you're going to use. And one thing that I want to share once is the OneNote. The OneNote is like a combination of everything. So you can put the Word, PowerPoint, Excel in there. So that's how the online Office 365 is going to work. However, let's go now to another, which is the desktop application. As you can see, when you go to your home, so let me just click home here, and then as you can see, this is now your install Office. You can now go other install option, click that. When you click that, you go to apps and device, if I'm mistaken. Then you can now click this one to install now your desktop application. Now, when you click that, you'll have now your installer. So you're gonna close that. Then it will be downloaded. So let me just go to my downloads. I click that. So this is now the setup. So when you click that, it would now be your installer for desktop application. Ever you check to your IT if you have this capabilities to install the desktop application. Now, if you have that capability, you'll technically have now your desktop application. So the desktop application is the application in your computer, just like when you're having your cell phone. Now, whenever you get your login, so this is now your login. So I log in here, sign in different user. However, I have this my login already. So I'm logged in now with this one. So because I changed my password, so I need to sign in again. So I'm just gonna let it sign in. So there will be a dialog box for you to sign in your account. So let me sign in my account here. So technically, when you sign in on Word that on the desktop, it will technically have the sign in for all for the Excel, PowerPoint, and all of the application under Office 365. So that's now how to install and how to navigate to log in for your Office 365 account. I hope you learned something in logging in your Office 365 account, and I hope you could use this one and maximize the utility of your Office 365, especially for the instructors, for the teachers, in an organization that is educational. Thank you, and if you have any question, you can plug in your question in the comment section so I can answer it. Thank you, and have a great day, everyone.